Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the dongle model and that the SIM is active and the right size. This avoids wasted time. Once the SIM is inserted and the dongle is powered, watch the LED for network lock. Green or blue means ready. Make sure your computer's USB drivers are available. If not, plug into a different port. After the LED stabilizes, launch the dongle's connection app or let the OS detect a mobile network adapter so you can proceed to configuration. Now configure the actual connection. Open the bundled app or the OS network panel and select the USB mobile adapter. If your carrier requires it, input the APN and credentials. Otherwise, leave them blank and rely on auto-provisioning. Choose automatic network selection first to let the dongle register. Make sure to prefer LTE if you need higher speeds. Once connected, verify upload/download activity in the app and run a quick speed test to confirm expected performance before sharing via Wi-Fi. Finish by turning on the dongle's Wi-Fi hotspot and setting a clear SSID plus a strong WPA2 or WPA3 password so devices can join securely. Make sure to place the dongle near a window or higher location if signal is weak. An external antenna often helps. If users can't connect, reboot the dongle and host device, reset the SIM, and recheck APN settings. If the LED shows no network, test the SIM in a phone to confirm service before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.